Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for ways to get more likes on your Instagram posts? In this video, I'm going to share simple yet powerful tips to increase your likes and grow your engagement. So let's follow these steps together. The first step is to post high quality and relevant content. Make sure your photos are clear, well lit, and visually appealing. Blurry or low quality images won't attract likes. The second thing is you have to know your audience. Post content that resonates with your audience. If your followers are interested in fashion, for example, focus on outfit posts, styling tips, or fashion related content. The third thing is consistency. Regular posting keeps your account active and visible in people's feeds. Try to post at least 3 to 4 times a week. The second step is to use effective hashtags. Choose the right hashtags. Use a mix of popular and niche specific hashtags to reach a broader audience. For example, if you're posting fashion content, use hashtags like hashtag fashion inspo, hashtag OOTD, or hashtag street style. Second thing is the hashtag strategy. Don't overdo it. Stick to around 10 to 15 relevant hashtags per post. Hashtags that are too broad won't help you stand out. The third step is to boost engagement through stories and captions. Ask your followers a question or encourage them to engage with your post. Something like, "What's your favorite look from this post?" can get people commenting and liking. You can also use Instagram interactive stickers like polls, Q&As, or quizzes to drive more engagement. Share your new posts on your stories to remind followers to like it. And there you have it. These tips should help you get more likes and grow your Instagram engagement. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have further more questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below the video and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.